Hi guys, so today we are learning about this RC car because this thing is power engine and things like this. So we're gonna test it out over there. We got another car, okay? So we're gonna do that later. So we're gonna learn about this, okay? Then we're gonna learn about this hose. Can you see this hose right here? And things. So as you can see, we can see the engine right here. We got sponge tires. So we're gonna test it out. Let's go. Hi guys, so now we're doing something more special. We're going to do anything, but I don't know what is special. Let me think. Oh, there's special. Come on, let's do it. There's something special. Right, there. Actually, this is going to be night tomorrow. It's Nini doing it. I'm doing it. Look. As you can see, the grass is like lava. So we are gonna like the ground. Let's do it. Okay, this is a little bit scary. But we go to the stairs. I guess we can't go to the stairs because it's such small dangerous about things. Guys, we did it! It's not even more strange anymore. Now let's do this again. We'll check we can do it now. Okay, boys. Try that again. We know we can do it. We really know. Guys, we really know we can do it. Really? Okay. Oh, dude. It's a little wheelie. No way. I never seen this truck do a wheelie. It can go up there. So where do we go now? Oh, the same place, right? Oh, that was a little crazy. Let's do that. Oh, boy. Okay. Oh! Dude, you see that? It's just like, it's supposed to be going like that. Boom! And boom. Just kidding. Who's me? The whole time, man. Okay. Where is your wheel? Alright. We're doing it right here. Completely good. Okay. We're completely done. So the video is over. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And we are doing a thumbs up at a time. So make sure to give a thumbs up. And don't forget to like this video. Bye. So the video's over, guys. So we're gonna close because our engine charge is gone. So thanks for watching. Bye.